Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 1915, that is the number of wonderful substring, and in this we'll say a wonderful substring is a substring where at most one letter appears an odd number of times. For example, we are having C, J, J, C, C, J, J, C and A, B, A, B are wonderful, but A, B is not because A is occurring an odd number of times and B is also occurring odd number of times. Okay, and in this no letter because it's given at most one letter should appear odd number of times, and here both of the letters are occurring even number of times, so it's no issue. And we'll be given a string word that consists of the first 10 lowercase English letters that are from A to J, and we have to return the number of wonderful non-empty substrings in word, and if the same substring appears multiple times in word, we have to count each occurrence separately. And a substring is a contiguous subsequence of characters in a string. Okay, for example, we are given the word ABA, so the total output is 4 because we are having a substring as A, B, and A in itself. A like A individual A, then B individually, and A individual, and AB as a whole is a substring in itself, which is following the wonderful criteria for the wonderful substring. Okay, so for this, let's have the variable long wonderful because the return type is long. So we'll be having many substrings, and then let's have a variable the total that is what I'll be doing is I'll be making one left shift to the 10 by 10 bits, and then what I'll be doing, I'll be having a map to keep track, like if I have encountered that particular again or not. New long of size total, like that would be 1024, and what I'll be setting is I'll be setting my map of 0, that will be equal to 1 L, that is 1 long. And now let's have a variable value and val that is equal to 0, and now let's just quickly iterate over the string, that is for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length and I plus plus, and here let's have the characters here, that will be equal to word dot char at I, and let's have a index like in which where at the place we want to show, let's have int ind that will be equal to ch minus a, and what I'll be doing is I'll be doing a XOR of it with the current value, that is value, and I'll be making it 1 by the index, making it left shift by the index bits, and then I'll be setting the map of val, I'll be incrementing it. Okay, and now what I'll be doing is that for int I equal to 0, I less than total, or we can even do 1024 I plus plus, and here what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my wonderful on the basis of wonderful plus equal to map of I into map of I by 2, map of I minus, oh sorry, map of I minus 1 by 2. Okay, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be having that for int I equal to 0, oh sorry, we cannot have I again, for int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, and then I'll be left shifting j by 1 bit again and again, j left shift equal to 1, and what I'll be doing is that if my I and j is equal to j, okay, in that case what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my wonderful again, wonderful plus equal to map of I into map of I minus j, and at the end I'll just return wonderful. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, oh, it's word, apparently word dot length. Now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.